Hello friends, today we are going to learn about square root by the division method. Before finding square root, we should know about the square of numbers 1 to 9. We know that 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and so on. 9 square is 81. This is the symbol of square root. Now we have to write a symbol like this, T, a big T. Now take this number 4400 and now in this T like this 4489 and then make a pairs of this number from right side up. So we will make pairs. This is the first pair and this is the second pair. And now look at this number. There are two pairs of this number 4489. Now look at the first pair. Is this a perfect square number or not? We know that the perfect square number are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. So this is the first pair. This is not a perfect square number. Now we take here the smaller perfect square number of 40. If first pair is not a perfect square number, then we will take smaller square number than first pair. Which is the smaller perfect square number? That is the 36. Now take here 36. Now 36 is whose square of 36? We know that 36 is the 6 numbers square. Now take 6 is at 3 places, here, here, here. Why here? So we know that 6 into 6 36 and the divisor is 6, therefore we have right here 6 and 6 into 6 here. Now we have to first pair complete, first step complete. Here we make subtraction and here we make addition. Now we will subtract 36 from 44. Here is subtraction, here 8 and we will add 6 plus 6 here. 6 plus 6 12. So 12 is right like this here and make here a blank space. Why? Because I will tell again. Now bring on the 89 is in front of 8. Now we get 889. Look here. Here is a blank space. Now we have to take a number from 0 to 9 here. That is the same number. If we take here 1, then take here 1. If we will take here 0, then take 0. But we have to take here a number that multiply with this number and the multiplication is same as 889 or smaller than its. Here is the last step. Then in unit place 9 is becomes. Then we have to use trick here. Which numbers multiplication becomes unit place 9? Here 3 into 3 or 7 into 7. So we will take first here 3 and then we see 3 into 3 9, 3 into 6, 3 into 2 6 is the smaller, not coming same. So this is not fit here. Then we will take 7 here. 7 into 7 49. 4 brings here. 7 into 2 14 plus 4 18. Now it's coming and 7 ones are 7 plus 1 8. Here make addition, here make subtraction and divisor is 7. Now make subtraction, here it becomes 0. 7 plus 7 14, carry 1, 2 1 3 and 1 34. So the square root of 4489 is 67. We will verify our answer like this. If our answer is true or false, verify. If the number here is becomes double of this number, then our answer is correct. 67's double 134, then our answer is correct. We will take another one example. Find out square root of 21,360 by division method. So take a big T symbol here and write the number 21,360. Make a pairs from right side. This first, this. Now this is the single number. Take single numbers pair. Now the first pair is 2. Now look here. 2 is the perfect square number or not? Not. Then take a smaller perfect number of first pair. Which is the smaller perfect square number? 1. Then take here 1. Whose square is 1? 1's. 1, 1, 1. Now take 3 times here. 1, 1, 1. We know that here 1 into 1, 1 and divisor is 1. So therefore we take here 1. Now here make subtraction, here make addition. Now subtraction, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. But don't write here 2, write here 2 and here give some space here. Now bring on second pair down. We get 113. Now take here the same number from 0 to 9 and then multiply with each other. That multiplication is either 113 or smaller than 113. We will take here 4. So 4 into 4, 16. 4 to the 8 and this is the very small number. We will take 5 here. 5 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 to the 10. 1. This is the bigger number. So 5 doesn't come here. We have to take here 4. Now 4 into 4, 16. 4 to the 8 and 1 9. Now make here subtraction, here addition and divisor is 4. Therefore write here 4. Now make subtraction. 3 minus 6, not. So here 13 minus 6, 7. Here 10 minus 1. So and here make addition, but don't write here. Give here space. 4 plus 4, 8 and 2 as it is. So now bring another pair here. 16. We get 1716. Now take here a same number from 0 to 9. This is the last pair and 6 is becoming in unit place. So we have to use trick. Which number's multiplication becomes 6 is in unit. Either 4 into 4 or 6 into 6. We will take first 4. 4 into 4, 16. 4 8 is 32, 33. Here is not possible. So we will take 6. 6 6 is 36. 6 8 is 48 plus 3, 51. Carry 5. 6 2 is 12 and 5 17. Here is all possible. Now here subtraction, here addition and divisor is 6. So here becomes 0 0 0 all 0. Here 6 1 6 6 12 9 2. So the square root of 21,316 is 146. Is our answer is correct or not? Take verification. The double of 146 is 292.